This is the Galaxy A36, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone volume of your phone. The first thing you need to do is press the volume button here at the side of your phone and then tap the three dots here. Now all you need to do is change the third bar here from the left to change the ringtone volume of your phone. You can also go to the settings and find sounds and vibration and then tap ringtone, and you can change it from here as well. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.